Hello everyone, and welcome to the Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error message, "There is not enough space on the disk to complete this operation." This issue often appears when you're trying to shrink, extend, or modify a partition using disk management in Windows. So let's get started. One of the first things you should try to resolve the error is disk cleanup, and it's crucial that you run it as an administrator. To do this, click the Start button or press the Windows key, then type Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Right-click on the disk cleanup result and choose Run as Administrator. Select the drive that's giving you the error, usually the C drive, and allow Windows to scan for unnecessary files. Once the scan is complete, make sure to check options such as temporary files, system-created Windows error reporting, recycle bin, and delivery optimization files. After selecting these, click OK and confirm to delete the selected files. Running disk cleanup with administrative privileges allows you to remove hidden system files and recover gigabytes of space that regular cleanup options typically overlook. Another solution to fix this issue is to delete temporary files using a batch script. I'll include a link in the description with the necessary commands to do this. All you need to do is open Notepad, copy the commands from the link, and paste them into Notepad. Then, go to the File menu, choose Save As, and make sure to change the Save As type to All Files. Name the file anything you like, but make sure it ends with .bat. This step is very important. After saving the file, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This will automatically delete various temporary files that could be taking up valuable disk space. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.